what emotional mastery looks like day to day. Let's make this real. You're picking up the kids. She's late again. You feel the heat rising. That old voice says, "Here we go again. She always does this." Stop, breathe, pause. You realize, I feel disrespected. I feel powerless. I'm scared the kids will think I don't matter. And just like that, you shift from reaction to revelation. You text once, short, clear, no heat. You document the delay. You move forward with your night. That is emotional regulation in real time. Quiet power. It doesn't mean you're soft. It means you're strategic. It doesn't mean you don't feel. It means you don't feed the fire.